This is heavy.
This is heavy, bro.
You rob a nigga with this, bro.
You could, yeah, come here.
No, I'm feeling that. Bro, this is heavy, dog.
You feel it.
Bro.
Like when you put a nigga,
It's your boy in the 592 and we back again with another vlog, man. Today, we doing a whole... I ain't want to call it what it really is, but I can allow you half a guess what it is. Whoa. We got our friends who we actually looking for at the head of this street.
I don't know what these niggas talking like.
we hop out on fucking tree, bro.
But
we
hey,
hop out on
we
tree
got one of this. And Keith, who you got? You Honda.
Huh?
Oh my God, man. That's the what? What are those?
That you black, G.
Jesus Christ.
Like you going on a mission or what?
Jeez, and these cops are surrounding
They
us,
just
bro.
surrounding us, dog. They just
Cops
dead.
all around, gang.
We looking like this.
Yeah, I see how we do it, gang. Yeah, we just come in this car, see the police, put all these things in the car and drive past the fucking police for show y'all on video. Just say I could like it or subscribe or leave a comment or do all three.
Yeah.
That is all we do that for, bro. We just risk we life. Yes, I could do y'all boy a favor, but easy. What y'all think this here is? First comment.
You can see the number there, right? Yeah,
Maybe
you can
one
see the
model.
number there.
Okay, you can see it's a camera. I go for say it's like a rocket launcher or something, but you can see it's a camera.
When the man wonder like, what the fuck they put this up in?
Where is he right there?
Run!
I'm gonna tie up this bag.
Where's where we at? You gotta put that gun in the bag. That shit too big though.
God damn. God, this in the back. Can't even pull all up with one hand. I can check in with y'all boys when we reach back in the studio cast today vlog, man. Lit! You know how it is. Boom, I told y'all I will come back with another one, yeah, but we continue with the same vlog. It's nighttime and we shooting the fucking video. Y'all see the whole team, the whole squad outside. We are ready. We got it rolling, dog. We snuck into somebody's house that they now constructing in a fucking area we never even been. Nobody ain't even come from this area. But we hope nobody in call the police because we back with the speaker. But they see we come out to the car with these, so you never know. Now the man got a black matic in here, I know. But slow light, yeah. Hold up, let me see. You see. I said the youths come out of fucking car and they travel in a strap, you know. So we hope they don't call the feds when we get it straight. Bad man style, right? But you still you get it.
You still need to let it.
Yeah. I would just got come a little bit as he moved. As the lens itself and you gotta get up.
This shot we could
If this means money, flow the cemetery, really banding, honey, never ready to get you home. Let me imagine if this means money, flow the cemetery, really banding, honey, never ready. Anything else, never ready to get you home. Let me imagine if this means money, flow the cemetery, really banding.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another episode with your boy.
Welcome back to another video. You know it's who in the 592.
Here come this one your name, no identity. Unknown, the subscriber channel. Make sure you click.
Boom, today so y'all already know it's we, boy in the 592. We back here with another banger. We're going up on the farm today. Whole team y'all already see Bluetooth, Lil Million, Dr. Keith, the whole squad going out there and we're going to do some bush cook. So, you know, keep y'all up on the vibes. Get y'all PCD driving on the way up through the track. And then we can show y'all the pathway bubbling. So y'all stay tuned when we get to the man.
Looking at the lucky is 100 load. It's what that was a jump from a nose hole. More. Nah, man, I lie. Stop one life and I swing on the line. When it's a come first, I'm a spell it off with white people. I'm gonna put in a jar ring. All in and touch a river and pay my offering. Sacrifice in the time and put the all in. Go on. Travel on the toll, put it in a sport mode. Looking at the lucky is 100 load. It's what that was a chunk. One up in a wall. It's a cyber, you know say a crime. So much of the Nile and the phone they are dial. Dollar time, VPN, me not just satellite.
So, I know I said I would come into y'all when we in the car, but we kind of on the car now. So we're on the car.
pick you up from here.
You got young in there. You can't ride easy in there.
Yeah, lower that shit. Even they got water so you get traction, boy.
The car only sit over this side.
Left in it, it's left in it. There's a new car who could pull it out.
It's nice one to stay far from though. I mean, no one living in there. I know what people are swimming.
I say look like nice one to stay far from.
Eh? What?
Bro, if y'all don't hit the like and subscribe buttons, all niggas Prince.
Bye. Have a great time.